Look, some people are born confident and some people are not, but everybody can make themselves confident because confidence is simply an emotion. It's not actually, oh, I have X, Y, Z and now I'm confident because I can say that I have this much money and this and that and this and that. It's simply an emotion. And an emotion can be trained into yourself habitually, which then becomes a part of your identity. So yes, it is absolutely a fake it till you make it or believe it till you achieve it attitude for a period of time. By stepping into a place of confidence and acting from there, and then it's gonna last very short, and then over and over and over and over, you do that, and then you're gonna train confidence, you're gonna condition confidence into your nervous system. You're gonna come from certainty more often, and after you do that for weeks, for months, repeatedly, consistently, on a consistent basis, just like training a muscle, it gets into your nervous system, it becomes a habit, and it becomes your default program. So what you default to, and then you're automatically, without needing to try and fake it, confident.